In today's video, I'll show you how to open Microsoft Loop and get started with your collaborative projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Microsoft 365 tips. Microsoft Loop is a versatile workspace app within Microsoft 365 that allows you to create and share loop pages. Dynamic canvases where you can combine text, links, tasks, and data from different sources. Its seamless integration with other Microsoft apps makes collaboration smooth and efficient. To get started, open your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. In the search bar, type Microsoft Loop and hit enter. Look for the official Microsoft Loop link in the search results and click on it to reach the home page. Once you're on the home page, click the Sign In button. Enter your Microsoft 365 credentials. If you don't have an account yet, follow the prompts to create one. During sign in, you may also be asked for a one-time password or streep sent to your registered email for added security. Enter it to continue. After signing in, you will land on the Microsoft Loop dashboard. Here, you will see all your workspaces and loop pages. Navigate to the workspaces section to find the workspace you want to open. Click on it and you will be inside, ready to start creating, editing, and collaborating. At the top left, notice the loop icon next to the page name. This helps you stay oriented within the app while working across multiple pages or projects. And that's it. You've successfully opened Microsoft Loop and are ready to leverage its full potential for your projects and team collaboration. Explore the features, create loop pages, and make teamwork effortless. Thanks for watching and happy looping!